Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Namra from BS Chemistry, and today the topic of my presentation is Introduction to Data Visualization with Matplotlib. Chapter 1, which is about Introduction to Data Visualization with Matplotlib. Matplotlib is the most popular Python plotting library. It is a low-level library with a MATLAB-like interface that offers lots of freedom at the cost of having a write more code. To install Matplotlib, pip and conda can be used. Matplotlib is specifically suitable for creating basic graphs like line charts, bar charts, histograms, etc. and it can be imported by typing. Scatter plot. To create a scatter plot in Matplotlib, we use the scatter method. We will also create a figure and an axis using plt.subplots to give our plot a title. We can give the graph more meaning by coloring each data point by its class. This can be done by creating a dictionary that maps from class to color and then scattering each point on its own using a for loop and passing the respective color. Chapter 2 is about plotting time series data. Time series lends itself naturally to visualization. Line plots of observations over time are popular, but they suit other plots that you can use to learn more about your problem. The more you learn about your data, the more likely you are to develop a better forecasting model. Visualization plays an important role in time series analysis and forecasting. Plots of the raw sample data can provide valuable diagnostics to identify temporal structures like trends, cycles, and seasonality that can influence the choice of model. A problem is that many novices in the field of time series forecasting stop with line plots. Take a look at 6 different types of visualizations that you can use on your own time series data. They are line plots, histograms and density plots, box and whisker plots, heat maps, lag plots or scatter plots, autocorrelation plots. The focus is on univariate time series, but techniques are just as applicable to multivariate time series, where you have more than one observation at each time step. Chapter 3 is Quantitative Comparisons Bar Charts. A Python bar chart plot or graph in Matplotlib library is a chart that represents the categorical data in rectangular form. By seeing those bars, one can understand which product is performing good or bad. It means the longer the bar, the better the product is performing. In Python, you can create both horizontal and vertical bar charts using this Matplotlib library and pyplot. The Python Matplotlib pyplot has a bar function which helps us to create this chart or plot from the given x values, height and width. Matplotlib bar chart names. Matplotlib bar chart names. The Matplotlib bar plot has x label, y label, and title functions, which are useful to provide names to axis, y axis, and chart name. X label, assign your own name to x-axis, and this function accepts a string which assigned to x-axis name. Y label, use this function to assign a name to y-axis, and title, please specify the chart name. Chapter 4 is preparing your favors to share with others. There are some guidelines for choosing plotting style. Dark backgrounds are usually less visible. If color is important, consider choosing colorblind friendly options like Seaborn colorblind or Tableau colorblind 10. If you think that someone will want to print your figure, use less ink. If it will be printed in black and white, use the grayscale style. Automating figures from data. Why automate? It is easy and speed, flexibility, robustness, and reproducibility are present. Thank you so much. That's all from my side.